Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm gonna show you how to repurpose leftovers. So I grew up very poor in the Philippines, and one of the things that my mom taught me was to never waste food. So in order for that, like, you'll always have leftovers. As 3 days ago, I made a good sized roasted pork belly. You saw it, and if you saw my previous videos, it's right there. So we've been eating that for the past 3 days. So the fourth day, we still have a little bit left, but we don't want to eat the roasted pork belly anymore because we've been eating it for the past 3 days. And sometimes that happens even with just one day, with your leftovers. So one of the things that my mom taught me was to repurpose leftovers to make a new dish. So this one is kind of like my take on a Filipino dish called sisig, pork sisig. So instead of the usual ingredients in the pork sisig, which is mostly the ears and the skin of pork, chopped mincely and cooked, I chopped the lechon, the leftover lechon dices. You could see that. And then we're gonna mix it with some cucumbers from my garden, and then tomatoes from my garden also. Oops. And then shallots from my garden also. You could also, with this recipe, you could do red onions or sweet onions, would be fine. And then we're gonna be seasoning them up, so we can sprinkle some salt to season it with salt. It's up to you. And then black pepper, and I like calamansi for this one. It's a Filipino lemon. You could probably just do lemon, but I do love the flavor of calamansi. Like, pour a generous amount of it. Just I do like vinegar. I love vinegar, and one of my favorite is apple cider. So just a little splash of that apple cider. And then my most favorite vinegar is the coconut nectar vinegar, and you do like a little more splash on that, and mix it together. And this is it. You can eat this by itself, or you can pair it with rice. Good skin and the meat with the tomatoes. Really yummy. Please like and subscribe for more recipes and gardening tips.